Welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified. In today's video, we'll review a very useful, extremely easy to use Windows app. Windows Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool is a built-in Windows app that allows you to capture screenshots and short video clips on your computer screen. It's a highly useful tool for adding visuals to your docs, slides, social media, websites, and any media content you create. The Snipping Tool will help you create more interesting content. To launch the Snipping Tool, click on the Start button to display pinned apps on the Start menu, or use the search feature on the taskbar to open the app. You'll notice here in the screenshot, Snipping Tool is pinned on the Start menu, or from the right-hand image, you can see on the search, you can search for Snipping Tool, and it will bring up the box with the Snipping Tool app. Let's take a look at the tools inside of the Snipping Tool. Once you launch the Snipping Tool, it will open the Start screen. You'll notice that there are several different ways to start a new snip. You can simply click the New button and it will start a new clip. And it could be either for a screen capture or a video recording, or if for some reason you didn't open the Snipping Tool, you could go to press the Windows logo key, hit the Shift and the S to start a snip. So there's several different screen captures. So the Snipping Tool gives you several options to do a screen capture depending on the screen and what you are looking to capture. So you can make captured images in different ways depending on your needs. So rectangular snip will select a specific rectangular area of the screen by dragging a cursor. The freeform snip will draw any shape to capture an irregular area of the screen. The window snip will capture an entire open window like a web browser or an application. And a full screen snip will capture everything on your screen, which is useful for showing your entire desktop setup. So video recording. So in addition to still images, the snipping tool can record a video clip of a rectangular selection of your screen. This is perfect for creating short video tutorials for training or for your team to show them how something works. And again, the same type of process here. You can click the new, or you can go to the longer way down below with the Windows logo key, Shift and R to start a recording. The snipping tool also has several annotation tools. So after taking a snip, the tool opens the captured image in a new window where you can annotate it. It includes tools like a pen, highlighter, and eraser to mark up the image before saving or sharing. So the annotation tools will show up on the window across the top of the screen if the window is maximized, or along the bottom if you've resized the window. So you can see here they're across the top and from left to right, a ballpoint pen, which gives you multiple colors that you can draw over top of your image, a highlighter so that you can highlight certain areas of the screen, and there's different colors as well. An eraser if you want to erase something out of the image, shapes, so you can see some multiple shapes on this next slide, an image crop if you want to crop part of the image out, you can add text to it, and you can also undo and redo the changes that you've made. So the annotation toolbar is anchored along the top. As I've mentioned, I've added a few annotations highlighting here with text and inserting several shapes, just to give you an idea of what you can do. I'm kind of goofy with the icons that are here with the happy face and whatnot, but it just gives you an idea that you can add different things here to bring attention to certain areas of the image, especially in an event where you're training or you're showing a presentation and you want to bring some attention to those slides. There are also some additional tools that you'll notice on the right-hand side here. From left to right, you can edit in Paint. So if there was something that you wanted to modify on this image, you could open it up in Microsoft Paint to make changes. You could save it. You could copy to clipboard. You could share this if you have those share options available on your computer. And there's also three little dots there, which give you an expanded menu with options like zoom. You can show hide a ruler. You can print. And there's some settings there as well for auto-save the image or the recordings, and you can add borders to your pictures automatically. So using snips. So the snipping tool can be a huge time saver and a major boost to collaboration, especially in remote and hybrid work settings. So, for documentation and tutorials, instead of writing a long, confusing paragraph explaining a process, you can use a series of annotated screenshots to create a clear step by step guide. So, for example, you capture each step by filling out a form or navigating a new software interface, highlighting key buttons or fields with the pen tool. So, reporting bugs or giving feedback. So, when you encounter a software bug or want to provide feedback on a design, a screenshot with a highlighted issue is far more effective than a text description. You can quickly capture the problem, use the pen to circle the error, and share it with your team. Presentations and reports. So, inserting screenshots into presentations and reports can make your documents more engaging and easier to understand. Whether you're showing a graph, a dashboard, or a specific user interface, a clear snip can provide critical context and visual appeal. Visual communication, the ability to quickly take a snip and paste it into an email or chat application reduces miscommunication and saves time. Instead of typing to describe a visual problem or concept in words, you can simply show it with a snip. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and follow our channel for how-to videos to help you develop the digital literacy skills you need to succeed. Thanks for watching.